Hello there, everybody on YouTube and subscribers. And today's unboxing video is the Funko Fisher-Price, the Viewmaster. Just gonna give this one a good spin, just real quick. Here's what it looks like. It helps to remind of people's childhoods from way back in the day, where it's got the little shot footage right here that it used to be on. Alright, so let's get this one open. Alright, the Viewmaster is out of the package. Here's what he looks like as a mascot from the classic Fisher-Price toys from way back. Especially along with Mattel. They do a great job for giving Funko a license to make this figure. That way it helps to remind of the good old days, where this toy binoculars, when you pull the switch, it goes on to the next footage. Depends on what kind of type brands, just like Cars, Thomas, or any type of theme on the toy. He also looks very well detailed and very well painted. So, yeah. It's really cool. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, what do you think about this Viewmaster? Let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more future project videos that you might be interested in. And thanks for the support and 702 subscribers. I appreciate that. And thanks for watching this video. And thanks for viewing this video. And I'll see you all real soon in the next videos. And bye for now.